I looked into Samsara's fleet management system, and honestly, it's one of the most polished platforms out there. But it's not perfect for every business. Samsara gives you real-time GPS tracking, driver behavior monitoring, dash cams, maintenance alerts, routing tools, and tons of analytics. If you manage a busy fleet and want full visibility into what's happening on the road, it's incredibly powerful. The interface is clean, the hardware is reliable, and the mobile app works surprisingly well. But the system isn't cheap. Samsara uses subscription pricing on top of hardware costs, and for smaller companies or single vehicle owners, it can feel expensive. Some users also mention long-term contracts and cancellation fees, which can be frustrating if your needs change later. Customer service gets mixed reviews. Some business owners praise the support team, while others say responses can be slow during peak times. The platform is feature-rich, but that also means there's a learning curve. You'll get the most out of it only if you actually use the data it provides. So is Samsara worth it? For medium and large fleets that value efficiency, safety, and real-time insights? Yes. But for very small operations, it may be more system than you really need.